Hey everybody, welcome to my janky channel. So today's video, I have to switch up my setup, so it's not going to be its usual mediocreness. It's going to be a little step down from that. And yes, I've got another dip system. This is from Azure, and the box got a little destroyed. But before you just click off because, oh, I don't want to see another dip, many of you have asked me to show you how to do extensions, to do nail tips with dips. It is Azure, and here is a card that came in it. Just gives you, tell us, are you happy or disappointed? Well, my box is destroyed, okay? When I got the box, it was crushed beyond... you don't even need to see that anyway. Who cares what the box looks like? It kind of looks like this. And this is a great big card, and it shows absolutely every single step, very simply put, on how to do a dip. But I'm going to go beyond that because I'm going to be doing nail tips. And I understand my nails are really long, but I'm going to bite them all off, and we're going to start with stubs. And of course I'm joking about that, okay? My sister-in-law's gonna come over. So it comes with two files, a coarser one and a finer one for buffing, and that's nice. I'll use those today. It comes with a cuticle pusher wood stick, orange wood stick, some cuticle oil, and I think it was peach mango scent, and then a fluffy brush to brush it off with. And it comes with bond base, activator, top coat, and brush saver. And then I have four colors, well, three colors in a clear. So I have a pink, which is probably what she'll want. She doesn't like a lot of bling or anything. But this peach is really pretty. I'm hoping maybe she'll want to do the peach. And a sparkly pink. Now I gotta try to duct tape my tripod down to my table so that I can film this. Wish me luck. Okay, I started with scraping and cleaning her nail beds really well. Dehydrating with alcohol and buffing off all the shine. Making sure there was no cuticle left on her nail so that I got a good seal. I sized and shaped her tips. And found the tips that matched. Really being careful of the sidewalls to make sure that they're filed and smoothed out, because she does have some ridges. Then brush off all the excess dust and filings, and then I cleaned again with alcohol, and then I did buff. I didn't show. I did buff off the tips, and then I'm just using some brush-on glue and rocking that on so it seals. And then did that to all of her nails. I'm just going to trim off the nails to the length that she wants. The only thing I didn't like about these tips is the shape. And then I am putting the first step, which is bond, on her natural nail. I could not get the lid off of the base coat, which is kind of a bummer because, you know, the base is pretty important for the tip. We tried pliers and rubber bands, but I just ended up having to use my Sparkle & Co base, which was fine. I mean, I think they're all pretty much the same. But I will contact her and let her know that the base, I couldn't get the lid off. Then I'm just going to scoop some powder onto just the natural nail, and then I dipped it in clear over the whole nail, and I kept it really thin. And then we did 2 layers of the glitter, the pink glitter, and then activate. And then I tried to squeeze them a little bit just to give them a little better shape, because when you cut off that much length, sometimes, you know, they look like duck bills. I hate that. And then I'm just going to file them smooth. They really didn't take any filing really at all, just a little bit. And then I activated again after I filed, and then I put 2 coats of the top coat. And the brush saver in this is really necessary because the top coat, it doesn't take long at all for your brush to get dried and stiff. So after each hand, I just switch the brushes out. And you cannot leave the lids off your bottles at all. And there they are finished. They're beautiful. Alright, I just want to give you a little update as I swatch these colors for you so you can see them better. It was really kind of hard to see what I was doing or the finished product in the lighting. And anyway, so I contacted Maggie and I asked her, I said, hey, you know, this base, I couldn't use your base because I couldn't get the lid off. And she said, well, sometimes that happens because of the heat. And, you know, absolutely, it was 110 easy here with the humidity. So she said, we will absolutely send you another one, no problem. We'll get it right out to you. And I said, okay. I said, I just want to know that if it was somebody else that just ordered this product, if they would get the same customer service. And she said, yes, that's why we put the card in there asking you to tell us how we did. She said, our customer service is absolutely wonderful. If there was any product that you had issue with, we will send out right away. We'll send out a replacement. So that made me feel good that she was very nice about it. There was no argument. You know, no, oh, well, are you sure? Did you try this? Did you try this? She just, okay, we'll get you one right out. So thank you, Maggie, for sending these to me. They are beautiful. This last one, I just wanted to try, and I did do these with gel instead of the dip liquids. I think, though, I put 2 coats of clear. I just wanted to see how clear it was. And I put 2 coats, and I probably should have stopped at 1 because it was pretty smooth. I didn't really even need to file. So I probably should have stopped at 1 coat, but I overkilled it. But it still looked pretty. It was just the silver that was a little cloudy, not so much the glitter. So final thoughts. I think this is a great system. Just beware that you need to switch your brush out with the brush saver with the top coat as you're using it. You know, if you have to stop, just switch them out. But they're beautiful, and my sister-in-law is extremely happy with her set. Alright, you guys, that's all I have for you today, and the links will be below for this dip system. I believe it is $49 for this set. I think there's some different colors too, but it's a really good deal. These are big tubs, 1 ounce tubs of the dip, and these are 15 ml bottles of liquid. Hope nobody's got a potty, because this voiceover is, well, Lucas is playing in the water. All right, you guys, so if you enjoyed this, please remember to subscribe if you aren't already. Give me a thumbs up. Talk to me down below. What do you guys think of this? Did you like this dip system? And is anybody going to try putting extension nail tips on themselves using dip? Super easy to do on your own by yourself too. Just a great way to do it. All right, enjoy some chickens eating corn. Okay, ain't got all day to stand around here and watch these chickens eat. Today's one of those days where we're only happy if we're playing in the water. I'm making a huge mess. I saw what you did in the other room, by the way. I saw the cardboard tore up. I know who did that. Driving down the road with pin-pins.
Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo.